In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create template on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up a clean, reusable template that your team can rely on. Start by signing into Salesforce and heading to your main Lightning home screen. Look to the top right for the gear icon. Click it to open settings, then choose Setup. If your screen presents an option called Open Advanced Setup, go ahead and select it. That opens the full setup workspace with a search panel on the left, which makes everything faster. In the quick find search box, type template. You'll see results like email templates or Lightning email templates depending on your org's configuration. Choose the templates area you plan to use. The page that opens will list any existing templates and gives you controls to create new ones. Click New to start a fresh template. This brings up a form where you'll enter the details. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. The developer name usually fills in automatically. Add a short description to explain when and why to use this template. This is helpful for teammates. Select the appropriate folder or visibility so the right people can access it. If there's an available for use checkbox, make sure it's selected so the template can be inserted into emails. Next, enter the email subject and body. Keep the subject concise and specific. In the body, write in a friendly, professional tone and leave placeholders where you want Salesforce to personalize content. Use the Insert Merge field or Insert Variable options to pull in data like first name, company, or case number. This ensures the template feels tailored without manual edits each time. If your org uses enhanced letterheads or formatting, choose the style you want. For Lightning email templates, you may also be asked to set a related entity type, like lead, contact, or opportunity, so merge fields. Reference the right records. Before finishing, scan for spelling, confirm merge fields exist on the target object, and avoid hard coding any sensitive information. When everything looks good, click Save. Salesforce will create the template and display its details. From here, you can preview the result with sample data, adjust formatting if needed, or share the template's location with your team so they can use it immediately. That's it. You've created a template on Salesforce that's consistent, on brand, and ready to scale your communications.